How to fake the user is banned from this guild on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If not your Wi-Fi, then you can switch to your cellular data as well. Next, you can just go to the Play Store application and check for any updates available for the application on your device. So let's go to the Play Store and check. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm gonna go back and then make a long press on Discord application, then tap on app info. After that, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, clear cache, and OK. If possible, you can also clear all data and delete all data. Next, go to the app permission and make sure that you toggle on the required options over here. So it's all toggled on right now. Now go back and your issue might be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.